Hey everyone! Have you ever considered a career in medical billing? Today I'm unlocking the full syllabus guide to get you started on this promising career path. Ready? Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about the fundamentals. You'll start with medical terminology. This is your foundation, learning the language of medicine. Terms like ICD-10, CPT codes, and HCPCS will become second nature. You might feel overwhelmed at first, but stick with it. Repetition is key. Next, anatomy and physiology. This isn't just for doctors. You'll need to understand the human body to accurately code and bill procedures. Expect to spend a fair amount of time here. It's detailed but essential. Then you'll move on to health insurance and reimbursement. You'll learn about different types of insurance plans, Medicare, Medicaid, and private insurance. Understanding these systems is crucial for successful billing. Medical ethics and law is another pillar. You'll dive into HIPAA regulations, patient confidentiality, and legal requirements. This ensures you're compliant and ethical in your practice. Okay, let's talk about coding. This is where things get technical. You'll study ICD-10-CM, CPT, and HCPCS Level 2 coding systems. It's detailed, but once you get the hang of it, it's like cracking a code. Super rewarding. Billing and collections will teach you the financial side. You'll handle invoices, payments, and collections. It's all about accuracy and attention to detail here. Electronic health records, EHR, and practice management software are also paramount. You'll get hands-on experience with the software used in real healthcare settings. This tech training is invaluable and keeps you ahead of the curve. Finally, practical experience. Many programs include internships or practical labs. This is where theory meets practice. You'll apply everything you've learned in a real-world setting. Super exciting! So there you have it, a complete guide to the medical billing syllabus. It might seem like a lot, but take it step by step. By the end, you'll be fully equipped to start your career in medical billing. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more videos. Let's unlock your potential together. See you next time.